Area forecast discussion, Jacksonville. Expect a calm start across Jacksonville under a weak surface ridge from the east-northeast. Mild morning temps and high clouds are supporting patchy inland fog before sunrise, while coastal areas stay clearer. Afternoon heating pushes highs into the upper 80s and low 90s, with an Atlantic sea breeze moving inland. Combined with an upper-level disturbance over southern Georgia, this will trigger scattered afternoon storms, especially north and west of the city. Instability is moderate, with lapse rates of 6.5 to 7 degrees Celsius per kilometre and surface energy near 1,500 joules per kilogram. Enough to support isolated strong to severe storms, with downburst winds up to 60 miles per hour and small hail. Activity will diminish after midnight. From an aviation standpoint, watch for fog near Gainesville and Cecil Field early, possibly reaching instrument flight rules briefly, before visual flight rules returns. Winds will be light early, then shift east to southeast and increase to around 10 knots. Most storm activity should stay northwest of terminals like St. Simons and Gainesville, but isolated cells may appear during peak heating. Area forecast discussion, Miami. Mid-level ridging continues to weaken over South Florida, but still supports dry, stable air today and Thursday. A large Atlantic high is reinforcing this with strong subsidence and little potential for deep convection. VFR conditions will hold through the period. At the surface, easterly winds will strengthen as a weak inverted trough edges through the region Thursday. This adds low-level moisture, especially south of Alligator Alley, raising precipitable water to 1.1 to 1.4 inches. A few isolated shallow showers could develop over the Atlantic and southeast coast, but dry mid-level air limits storm growth. Operationally, winds will increase from 5 to 10 knots to 10 to 15 knots by afternoon, gusting to 20 knots at East Coast terminals. Naples will shift west-southwest after 2 p.m. with a developing Gulf breeze, potentially impacting runway ops. Area forecast discussion, Melbourne. A surface ridge shifting offshore is guiding light southerly winds to turn easterly through Thursday and into the weekend. Dry air is building in from the Atlantic, with moisture levels dropping to 0.7 to 0.8 inches, too low to support showers or storms. For aviators, expect mainly VFR conditions. Early morning may bring brief MVFR ceilings along the coast, with bases near 3,500 feet between 6 and 10 a.m. Inland, a daily sea breeze strengthens onshore winds to 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon. Orlando could see easterly gusts near 15 knots between 4 and 8 p.m., which may cause crosswind issues on east-west runways. Area forecast discussion, Tampa Bay. Tampa Bay stays under strong high pressure at all levels through the weekend, supporting clear skies and warm, dry conditions. VFR will dominate, with afternoon cloud decks near 4,000 to 5,000 feet and scattered high clouds. A weak front approaches late Sunday, bringing a slight chance for isolated storms north of the area. Monday may see another small chance for afternoon storms in central and southwest Florida as the front drifts south, but conditions stay mostly dry. The front dissipates Tuesday, with high pressure returning midweek. From an aviation view, this is a quiet stretch. Aside from the slim chance of storms late Sunday into Monday, conditions remain stable with minimal impact expected.